I'm Mark Bruce, author of Real Power, Fundamentals to Create Wealth, and the Real Power Series creator. Thank you for joining me for this morning's training, Achieving Your Goals. And in this series of training, I'm going to go over some effective processes you may use to successfully accomplish any goals you may have. If you have any questions at any time during this training module, you may email us at realpowerseries@gmail.com, and those questions will be answered by our Real Power Series staff. In this module, I'll be talking about reflecting on the goals that you have created for yourself. What we will cover. We will cover the 5 steps of reflecting, the 5 characteristics of a goal, and the 4 actions to take to accomplish your goals. Let's start with the 5 steps of reflecting. The first step to reflecting is to revisit your previous goals. You want to review the actual goals that you have set to be accomplished. The next step is reviewing what worked towards the achievement of that goal and why the steps you took were successful. Chapter 5 in my book, Real Power, Fundamentals to Create Wealth, goes more in depth on this step. To discern what worked and why, you will also have to discern what did not work and why it did not work. This is a key to determining which goals may need to be reevaluated or removed altogether if they are not conducive to your overall objective. When what works and what did not work has been determined, your next step is to review the lessons learned from the experience. Again, this information is vital to determining the continued direction you pursue towards the achievement of your goals. Then you want to look ahead to how you can use these lessons learned to advance your pursuit of the achievement of your goals. Zig Ziglar once said that a goal properly set is a goal halfway reached. So by making the proper adjustments to the goals that you have set, you have instantly placed yourself at the halfway point to achieving that goal. Your goal should have 5 characteristics. First off, your goals should be specific. You must be as precise as possible in the determining of the outcome your goal is to achieve. Next, your goals should be measurable. You should always be able to have a sense of how close or how far off you may be at any time to achieving your goal. Your goal must be attainable. Keep realistic objectives in mind when determining what your goals will be. Your goals must also be relevant to the overall achievement of what you are setting out to accomplish. Your goal must have a time frame for completion. It increases motivation. Next comes your actions to accomplish the goals you have set. Another popular Zig Ziglar quote is, "You can have everything in life that you want if you would just help enough people get what they want." Here are 4 actions you want to take when your goals have been set. Make sure your goals are SMART. Remember, they should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. SMART. Next, set micro goals. Smaller steps within the achievement of the main goals. Next, set time frames to review the goals. Always keep a sense of where you are in regards to the completion of the goal set. And the final, and in my opinion the most crucial step, is to hold yourself accountable. So let us review what we have gone over today. We have discussed the 5 steps of reflecting. We have discussed the 5 characteristics of a goal. And we discussed 4 actions to accomplish your goals. The next lesson we'll cover in our next module in the Achieving Your Goals series will be accountability. We will discuss ways to hold yourself accountable.